GetonAgain GetonAgain Co., Ltd., located in GetonAgain BOD Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters R&D center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and military clothing. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Intelligent production solutions for home textiles including quilting equipment includes computerized single-needle quilting machine lifting head. The extendable quilting frame can be freely adjusted according to required size. GetonAgain quilting head, independent presser foot drive, suitable for various of material with different thickness. Full servo motor control, providing powerful and accurate driving force. Automatic lifting head, easily change the frame after finishing quilting. Neon quick frame changer optional. Quilting process for home textile products such as quilt, comforters, mattress protector, blanket, sleeping bag, single needle art quilts, etc. Computerized single head quilting machine frame type belt support. High precision process stand ensures stable needle. Hook clearance and longer service lifetime of rotary hook. Extendable quilting frame, able to adjust the desirable size of quilting freely. Specially designed quilting head, presser foot with individual driving, suitable for quilting material of various thickness. Full servo motor control, providing powerful and accurate driving force, greatly improved quilting precision. Automatic thread broken detection function. The machine will stop after thread. Optional automatic bobbin changer. It is suitable for large area quilting and high-quality pattern products, such as furniture upholstery, sofas, headboards, soft desk conference enclosures, or products with heavier materials, such as gravity quilts, etc. Continuous feeding gantry type single needle quilting machine. Suitable for single needle automatic quilting of mattresses, duvets, blankets, mattress protectors, upholstered furniture, and similar products. Fully automated workflow, automatic feeding, material pulling, quilting, and cutting, all completed in one integrated process. Continuous feeding gantry type single needle quilting machine double saddle model. Double saddle frame design allows simultaneous quilting of two pieces, doubling quilting efficiency. Specially designed lift type quilting head with a lifting height up to 150 mm, suitable for quilting materials of various thicknesses, maximum speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model and double row lock stitch multi-head quilter with large rotary hook. Max speed of 1,500 RPM, more than 2 to 3 of normal shuttle quilting machine. Greatly improves work efficiency. 3-fold capacity rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loose. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model E, 5-time jumbo rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loose. The interval between the upper and lower needle bars can be adjusted to any value from 3 to 9 inches. The lower needle bar can move half a needle pitch in the X direction, so that quilting needle bars of different sizes and patterns can be combined, especially for some non-standard size patterns, which can achieve a unique effect. Computerized single color single row quilting and embroidery machine model A. Summer quilts, bedspreads, mattress protectors, pillowcases, blankets, garments, car seat covers, car floor mats and furniture upholstery, etc. Equipped with a new high-speed double needle quilting and embroidery machine head with surface coating treatment for parts. Maximum speed 1000 RPM. Recommended operating speed 750 to 850 RPM. Computerized multi-needle shuttle quilting machine flying shuttle for quilting of fitted sheet, bed covers, summer quilts and clothing products with quilting pattern. Computerized multi-needle chain stitch quilting machine. Servo motor driven rollers and lead screws ensure precise quilting patterns, suitable for mattresses, mattress covers, sofas, bedding, home textiles and home decor. Automatic ultrasonic quilting machine. integrating ultrasonic sewing and ultrasonic edge sealing and cutting automation into one, completing the process in a single step. The latest structure design with interleaved transducers ensures embossing seamless non-wrinkles. After quilting, it can be connected with cutting machine to the finished product or connected with rewinding device to the fabric rolls. Ultrasonic quilting machine to bond multi-layer of polyester fabric, non-woven fabric, polyester wadding, or artificial leather, etc., and emboss different patterns on it. Patterns are clear and beautiful, and fabric doesn't deform, with strong bonding and high efficiency. Ultrasonic equipment includes ultrasonic slitting machine, adopted ultrasonic cutting technology, ensures smooth cutting edges, precision edge cutting, no deformation, for free without freeing, no fiber pull, and no edge curling problem after cutting. Cutting rollers and patterns can be customized to meet various needs. Embroidery machine includes precision single head cap, tubular embroidery machine, pattern rotation and proportional scaling. Patterns can be scaled up or down in 1% increments, ranging from 50% to 200%, and rotated in equal increments, with a rotation range from 0 degrees to 89 degrees. Precision two-heads cap, tubular embroidery machine, equipped with automatic color changing, automatic thread trimming by motor, servo motor thread hooking, and automatic thread broken detection. 6-head flat embroidery machine, used for high-end customization of clothing, bags, shoes, pets, toys, and other products. Computerized embroidery machine, high-speed embroidery heads with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality, equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial product area. Multi-head tubular embroidery machine multi-head series, suitable for embroidering on flat, caps, garments, shoes, belts, bags, etc. Auto thread framers, auto color change, auto thread break detection 270 degrees wide angle cap system, red light locating, LED lighting, precise head and drive system to ensure exquisite embroidery work, drop tables, easy to lift up and down. Multiple heads greatly improves work efficiency, suitable for embroidery shops and factories of a certain scale. Mixed chenille chain stitch embroidery machine. Mixed embroidery feature, according to color sequence settings, switchable between chenille embroidery, flat embroidery, simplified operation. Chenille needle height can be adjusted for 10 levels according to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness. Multifunctional embroidery on garment, shoes, caps, home textile, toys, bags and luggage, art craft, etc. Computerized 5-in-1 embroidery machine, integrated 5 functions in one machine, flag embroidery, coiling, tape cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, double sequin device, laser cutting function, high precision, strong stereo sense, ideal artistic effect, suitable for embroidery of apparel, home textile, furniture, teaching, design and arts and crafts, etc. Computerized mixed embroidery machine, multifunctional integration, flat embroidery, cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, sequin embroidery, and laser embroidery. Expandable options, supports additional modules such as laser process. Fast switching between flat embroidery or coiling embroidery or chenille embroidery and chenille embroidery, allowing you to choose any embroidery type as needed. Applications, suitable for embroidery on garments, home textiles, home decor, education areas, RD and arts crafts products. Cutting equipment includes automatic spreading machine. Easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics, suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine. Through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved, significantly reduces errors between the top and bottom layers of fabric during cutting, enabling truly high-precision intelligent cutting. Automatic single-layer cutting machine. No need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process, and supports continuous cutting for extra long materials. Strap and plaid matching cutting machine, equipped with a few HD industrial cameras, according to the capture size to perform intelligent combination. Ensure the high accuracy fabric images capturing. Strap and plaid matching auto cutter, equipped with double knives and pen draw punching working mode, special for various stripes and plaids fabric cutting in single ply. High-end clothing customization. The effect of the alignment matched strap and plaid process has become the important measurement on the quality of this type of clothing. Strap and plaid auto cutter is the equipment specially developed for this process to meet matching strap and plaid clothing, suitable for single ply cutting. Process of strapped plaided fabrics. Automated production line series includes multi-needle quilting machine, flying shuttle and cutting machine, and 4-side tip binding machine production line. Multi-needle quilting machine. The raw materials are quilted and fixed. Lock stitches, mainly used to process quilt cores and cushions. Cutting machine. Cut the quilted semi-finished materials, including trimming, fixed length cutting, slitting and rolling, and other functions. Alignment platform. Material transfer alignment mechanism. The cutting block waits to enter the next sequence on this platform, and at the same time, the cutting block is aligned with the subsequent reference processing position by translation. Automatic tip binding machine. The cutting piece is processed by the tip binding machine. Make the edge of the cut piece beautiful. The machine rounded corner tip binding process. The cutting and tip binding are integrated, and all actions are completed automatically. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine and 4-side edge sewing machine, capable of quilting patterns in various sizes without changing needle positions, greatly enhancing operational efficiency. Double row machine with lower needles row can move half of the head distance in X direction, creating combination patterns of different sizes when coordinated with the upper needles. Longitudinal sewing, double chain stitch, optional lock stitch or overlock stitch. Transversal sewing, multi-needle chain stitch sewing. Transversal cutting between the 4 stitches, cutting as per set length and feeding to next sequence. Automatic blanket straight corner binding machine, capable of holding 2 rolls of fabric non-elastic, equipped with edge alignment function, automatically pull and cut into panels. Pulling lengths can be set freely. 4-side tip binding sewing process for inelastic blankets. Automatic vacuum pillow filling production line. This production line is suitable for loosening and weighing filling polyester short fiber raw materials, greater than 0.7 D into products such as pillows, cushions, back cushions, and sofa pads. Fully automatic 1-button start, precise weighing filling, simple operation, and uniform filling. PLC program control, automatic cotton feeding, negative pressure cotton filling, and automatic clamping tools for bagging. Automatic bed sheet production line. A fully automated bed sheet production line composed of a feeding mechanism, an adjustable with longitudinal sewing mechanism, a fixed length transverse cutting mechanism, an automatic transverse conveying mechanism, an automatic hemming transverse seam mechanism, and a discharging mechanism. Raw fiber panel cutting case filling line. Edge trimming, length counting, cutting for polyfiber, thermal bonded wadding, chemical bonded wadding. Machine feature, unpowered material loader, can pass bonded wadding to the panel cutter machine, equipped bearings the tones of each roller, labor saving and energy saving. Electric flyover automatic cross cutting. 2 sets of longitudinally hard cutting blades can be increased or decreased according to product track current, automatically feeding the wadding fibers into the comforter envelope case after cutting off. Length set is controlled by computer and could set any value according to requirement. Automatic sewing machine towel cross sewing machine. Intelligent control, 1-touch start. One operator can control multiple units, reducing labor intensity. Automatic fabric alignment, equipped with a feeding and alignment mechanism to effectively correct fabric skew and ensure precise positioning. Rear sweeping and pressing device ensure towels are laid flat and fixed in position for stacking or subsequent processing. Preset length cutting mechanism, adjustable cutting lengths to meet various production needs. Edge folding mechanism, performs precise edge folding on both sides of the towel. Automatic labeling, supports both single and folded labels with automatic feeding and code cutting. Equipped with towel detection, automatically detects towels woven whether with suitable lengths, the joint seams between towels, etc. All those can be detected. Sewing mechanism. International brand sewing head ensures beautiful and consistent stitching. Edge folding and sewing of unfinished and non-elastic towels. Edge folding and sewing of unfinished and non-elastic towels. Sewing machine includes fully automatic 360 degrees template sewing machine auto-feeding. Ideal for automated sewing of thin, thick materials including quilted garments, down jackets, pillowcases, etc. Dual auto-feeding system enhances efficiency and reduces operator fatigue. Vertical head lift easy template replacement and convenient for step-over sewing. Reinforced casting body ensures consistent stitches even at high speeds, no head sinking. Smart functions auto thread trimming, upper thread break detection. Bobbin counter, USB pattern import, and top thread clampping. Quilt edge binding machine, features of single needle compound feed, achieving cutting, binding, and sewing in one seamless operation. Enlarged right side waste discharge port with pneumatic waste discharge assistance ensures smoother disposal of waste generated during edge cutting. Special for synchronized feeding structure, including alternating presser foot, needle, feed dot, and binding attachment, ensures no wrinkles or misalignment during straight line or corner sewing for a flawless binding effect. Designed for edge binding processes of quilts such as cotton quilts, summer quilts, spring and autumn quilts, and other bedding items. Quilts, mattress binding with pulling sewing workstation. Equipment factory standard provide air floating table and automatic pulling device. Make sewing worker operation easier and smoothly. Equipped with PLC control pulling device and synchronized with sewing machine electronic control. These two machines are working in the same speed and synchronize the direction. Optional automatic storage and vacuuming device to improve efficiency, reduce dust emissions, and provided the sewing operator a clean and tidy working environment. Binding result is rich and strong solid feel. Corners are smooth and nice. Evenly stitched lengths, no hairy edge, no edge folding, neither corner raising effect, those negative symptoms, etc. Automatic mattress protector skirting sewing machine interlock and overlock. Suitable for processing fitted sheets, all in one to finish binding stitching of elastic rope cord and bed skirt, and the overlocking of bed skirt to mattress protector topper layer. Fully automatic winding machines. Post-finishing equipment includes automatic folding and packaging machine. Equipment mainly composited with folding device, rolling device, stacking and compress plus conveyor device. Folding device. After the quilt is detected and transported to the designated position by sensors, a robotic arm folds the quilt into a strip shape. After being detected by sensors, the strip-shaped quilt is transported to the designated position and folded into a block shape by a robotic arm. Rolling device. The strip-shaped quilt is transported to the automatic rolling device to complete the rolling process. Quilt roll packing machine, suitable for rolling and packing of fluffy items such as quilts, pillow, cushion, etc. to reduce the volume and storage, as well as lower transportation cost. Packing item is auto-feeding from backward to forward by the belt during the compressing process and rolled to pack into the bag. Double cylinders, double operation. Optional 2 models, double cylinders for double sealing and single cylinder. For single sealing, the double cylinder design increases the compression pressure and area. Double seal design, 2 workers operate 2 products at the side of the machine, greatly improve the work efficiency, suitable for compressed packing of pillows, cushions, bedding, plush toys and other products. Needle detector. Needle detector applicable for large bulky products with ferromagnetic metal detection, for example bedding, etc. Working width can be adjusted between 1,200 to 4,000 mm according to customer setting. Compression bagging machine. It is a compression bagging machine, automatically compressing and air cylinder, side pushing the product for bag packing, greatly improved the work efficiency. The bagging is even. Electronic control program for sure the consistency of product. Specification. Finished packed product is flat and nice looking, saving packing volume size. Compression stroke is adjustable to fulfill various size of packaging. Machine mold tools can be customized according to actual requirement. Suitable for the compression bag packing of pillow, cushion, quilts, bedding, etc. In addition, GetonAgain has developed a digital operation and management system for industries such as garment processing and machinery manufacturing. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. Its features can be summarized as the four ones: one industrial enterprise, one technology platform, one data standard, and one operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.